Today's tutorial is about wiring the C5 board and photoelectric sensor. We need prepare a BAT85 diode used as a safeguard fuse to protect the board from potential damage with external power source. The terminals should be connected to the limit switch. You'll also need a board that connect with Klipper. The first step is to solder the terminals of the signal wire to the BAT85 diode, which requires the use of a soldering iron. Make sure to look at the wiring diagram in the manual. Mellow board currently supports only PNP-type proximity switches. The black end of the diode should be connected to the signal wire of the proximity switch. This prevents power reaching to the board. Let's dip some solder paste and connect them using a soldering iron. Wrap some electrical tape, avoid any risk of shorting. Fold the other end of the diode and crimp on the terminal. Insert the prepared terminal into the limit switch port on the motherboard. Double-check that instructions: the blue wire goes to the negative terminal and the brown wire to the positive. You can choose any shape of sensor to install on the printer, but you'll need to modify the mount yourself. We're moving to the Klipper configuration. The probe's pin here must correspond to the limit switch pin on the board. Then, enter query probe in the console to report the current status of the probe. Let's check with a multimeter if the voltage has dropped, and check if the probe is triggered or open. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Hope you found it helpful. This is the end of the video.